Later this week, the ancient town of Montgomery is preparing to turn back the clock 750 years to celebrate the signing of the Treaty of Montgomery. On September the 29th, 1267, King Henry III of England and Llywelyn ap Griffith, Prince of Gwynedd, signed the treaty which recognised Llywelyn as the Prince of Wales. In 1267, the 1267 treaty gave Llywelyn Builth, Brecon and Whittington Castle in mid-Wales. He also received an assurance that no castle would be built at Hawarden for 60 years by Robert of Mould, securing the north-eastern border of Wales. However, following the succession of Edward I as King of England in 1272, relations between Wales and England deteriorated, and Edward declared war on Llywelyn in 1276. To celebrate the 750th anniversary, Montgomery Town Council and partners have agreed a short reenactment to the treaty signing, and local school children will be taking part. Later in the evening, there will be a medieval banquet and entertainment in the town hall, which I'll be attending. I'm sure everyone will be wished to join me in wishing the people of Montgomery well as they mark this special occasion.